I say this is a song about the greatest heartache I've ever known, and it's called Nightingale Lane. On the street in the South London suburbs is where my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin and beer stained, and tear stained was a pain that made me cold enough. After the oceans I cried are made of steel, just float. I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I've let him go now. I just hear ghost town, and sometimes at red lights with clothes